Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Here it is, Luxe Trucks. This is brand new, just came in. It is a 2019 Silverado 5500 HD. It's got the Allison transmission with the Duramax engine diesel. This is an awesome puller. Also, if you want the whole package, this has got it. This has got the Luxe logo. You can actually get it to paint to match your luxury fifth wheel. Look down here, it's got the Luxe mud flaps. This is an opportunity for you to get everything that you need right at one stop. We offer the truck, we offer the luxury fifth wheel. Going to do a little bit more detail. We're going to bring somebody in that really knows a lot about this truck, give us some education so we can educate you. But this is it. Luxe Trucks is off the ground. This is available, ready for you. So hey, give us a call. Get some more information about Luxe Trucks, about what we offer, about the package. You can buy it on its own, or you can buy it together with your luxury fifth wheel. So give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.